Software Spring. Presents. How to create a Geo Chart. How to create a Geo Chart with markers. How to add a drop-down menu. How to format numbers with Indian currency rupee symbol. How to add outer borders to a cell or range in Google Sheets. Hello folks, greetings. Welcome to this tutorial, which gives the steps for tasks, ranging from creating a Geo Chart, to adding outer borders to a cell or range. How to create a Geo Chart. Let's begin with a quick intro to Geo Chart. Geo Chart highlights countries in data range on world map. Numerical data is displayed as a horizontal bar. Lowest and highest numerical values are represented by dark red and green, respectively. Alright, we are all set to create the Geo Chart. First, select the data range. Click Insert Chart. By default, a pie chart is displayed. To change to Geo Chart, click Chart Type field. Scroll down till you see Map. Click Geo Chart. The Geo Chart is displayed. Hover over a highlighted country to see the numerical data related to it. How to create a Geo Chart with markers. Here are some key points about this chart type. Geo Chart with markers will display a circle on country instead of highlighting it. Size of circle is proportional to numerical value it represents. Numerical data is displayed as a horizontal bar. Okay, let's create the chart. Select the data range. Click Insert Chart. Click Chart Type field. Scroll down till you see Map. Click Geo Chart with markers. Hover over a circle to see the numerical value related to it. The value will also be pointed on the horizontal bar. How to add a drop-down menu. Some benefits of drop-down menu are: drop-down menu can help enter data faster. Drop-down menu can make data entry almost error-free. Here are the steps to create a drop-down menu. Click the cell in which you want to add a drop-down menu. Click Insert. Click Dropdown. The Data Validation Rules pane displays. Type Option 1 and Option 2. To add more options, click Add another item. Click this down arrow to display the options. To change the default color of one or more option text, click here and select a different color. Click this down arrow to display the options and make a selection. Say, you want to shuffle the positions of these two options. Click here, and drag it here. Click this down arrow to display the options. To remove the drop-down menu, click Remove Rule. How to format numbers with Indian currency rupee symbol. Prefix the Indian rupee symbol to numbers. The steps to format numbers with Indian rupee symbol are: first, ensure that locale is set to India. Here is how to check the locale settings. Click File. Click Settings. If the locale is not set to India, change the locale, and click Save Settings. Let me close this dialog. Click the cell or range you want to format. Click More Formats. Click Indian Rupee. The Indian rupee symbol is displayed. How to add outer borders to a cell or range. A main benefit of adding outer borders is, it can highlight data, or info, in a cell or range. Let's add outer borders to this range. First, select a cell or range, for which you want to add a border. Click Borders. Click here to select border color. Click here to select border style. Click Outer Borders. There you go. Google Sheets has added the borders. To remove the borders, first select the cell or range with borders. Click Borders again. Click Clear Borders. That's it, folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.